नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों। आज हम मां कूष्मांडा के बारे में बात करेंगे। मां कूष्मांडा शक्ति का रूप है। उन्होंने ही इस दुनिया को बनाया है। मां की मुस्कान से सूरज चमकता है, उनकी आंखों से तारे चमकते हैं। मां कूष्मांडा ही इस दुनिया का आधार है, उनके बिना कुछ भी नहीं है। मां कूष्मांडा के 8 हाथ हैं। हर हाथ में एक हथियार है। ये हथियार उनकी ताकत दिखाते हैं, ये बुराई को खत्म करते हैं। कमंडल, धनुष, बाण, कमल, अमृत कलश, चक्र, गदा और सिद्धियों का खजाना। मां सब कुछ देती है, मां सब कुछ जानती है, मां सबकी रक्षा करती है। मां कूष्मांडा सिंह पर बैठी हैं। सिंह ताकत और साहस दिखाता है। मां हमें भी ताकत देती हैं। मां हमें निडर बनाती हैं। मां के हाथ में एक कुम्हड़ा है। कुम्हड़ा जीवन दिखाता है। मां हमें जीवन देती हैं। मां हमारी देखभाल करती हैं। मां कूष्मांडा की पूजा से उम्र बढ़ती है, इज्जत और ताकत मिलती है, सेहत अच्छी रहती है, मन शांत और खुश रहता है। मां कूष्मांडा सब मनोकामनाएं पूरी करती हैं। मां हमें दुखों से छुटकारा दिलाती हैं। मां हमें मोक्ष का रास्ता दिखाती हैं। मां ही हमारी रक्षक हैं। Section 5. Illuminating the home. Inviting positive energy with Kushmanda. In this section, we explore how the divine presence of Goddess Kushmanda can transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and positivity. मां Kushmanda घर में अच्छी ऊर्जा लाती है. Her divine energy fills every corner of the home, creating an atmosphere that is both serene and uplifting. The presence of Goddess Kushmanda is believed to dispel negativity and bring in a wave of positive vibrations. Buri takating khatm ho jati hai. Lighting diyas in her honor is a powerful ritual that wards off evil forces and negative energies. The glow of the diyas symbolizes the light of knowledge and wisdom, driving away the darkness of ignorance and fear. Ghar mein sukh aur shanti aati hai. The entire household experiences a sense of peace and tranquility. The divine aura of Goddess Kushmanda ensures that harmony prevails, fostering a nurturing environment for all family members. Parivar mein pyar aur ekta rehti hai. The family bonds strengthen as love and unity flourish. Performing aarti together not only honors the goddess, but also brings the family closer, creating cherished moments of togetherness. मां कूष्मांडा की पूजा से घर धन धान्य से भरा रहता है. Worshipping Goddess Kushmanda brings abundance and prosperity. The home is filled with symbols of wealth and plenty, such as grains and fruits, signifying the goddess's blessings. Bimari or dukh dur rehte hain. Her divine grace ensures that illness and sorrow are kept at bay. The health and well-being of the family are safeguarded, creating a sanctuary free from suffering. Bachon ki sehat achhi rehti hai. The children, in particular, benefit from her blessings. Their health remains robust, and they grow up in an environment filled with love and care. Ghar mein khushiyon ka mahol bana rehta hai. The home becomes a haven of joy and happiness. Laughter and positive energy fill the air, making every moment a celebration of life and divine blessings. Section 6. A simple guide to worshipping Mother Kushmanda. मां कुष्मांडा की पूजा बहुत आसान है. सुबह जल्दी उठकर नहाएं, साफ कपड़े पहनें, मां कुष्मांडा की मूर्ति या तस्वीर रखें. मां को लाल फूल चढ़ाएं, लाल चुनरी चढ़ाएं, मां को मालपुआ का भोग लगाएं. मां कुष्मांडा के मंत्र का जाप करें. Section 7. The power of mantra. Connecting with the Divine Mother. Aum Devi Kushmandai Namah. This sacred mantra is a powerful invocation to the Divine Mother, goddess Kushmanda, who is believed to be the creator of the universe. Chanting this mantra with devotion and faith can bring immense peace and fulfillment to one's life. यह मंत्र बहुत शक्तिशाली है. It is said that the vibrations created by chanting this mantra can cleanse the mind and soul, removing negative energies and filling the heart with divine love and compassion. The ancient scriptures emphasize the importance of mantras in spiritual practice. इस मंत्र के जाप से मन शांत होता है. इच्छाएं पूरी होती हैं. Regular chanting of this mantra can lead to a state of deep meditation, where the mind becomes still and serene. It is believed that the Divine Mother listens to the sincere prayers of her devotees and fulfills their desires, bringing joy and prosperity into their lives. मंत्र का अर्थ है, हे मां कुष्मांडा, आपको नमस्कार. The meaning of this mantra is a humble salutation to Goddess Kushmanda, acknowledging her divine presence and seeking her blessings. The act of offering flowers and performing aarti is a way to express devotion and gratitude to the goddess. यह मंत्र हमें मां से जोड़ता है. Chanting this mantra creates a spiritual connection with the Divine Mother, fostering a sense of unity and oneness with the divine. It is a reminder of the eternal bond between the devotee and the goddess, a bond that transcends the material world. यह मंत्र हमें ताकत और प्रेरणा देता है. This mantra not only provides strength and inspiration, but also guides us on the path of righteousness and spiritual growth. The blessings of the Divine Mother empower us to face life's challenges with courage and determination. यह मंत्र हमारे जीवन को अच्छा बनाता है. By incorporating this mantra into our daily lives, we can experience a profound transformation, leading to a life filled with peace, happiness, and divine grace. The presence of the Divine Mother in our hearts brings a sense of fulfillment and contentment, making our lives truly blessed. Section 8. Testimonials of Grace. Stories of Kushmanda's Blessings. बहुत से भक्तों ने मां कुष्मांडा का आशीर्वाद पाया है. किसी को नौकरी मिली है, किसी की तबीयत ठीक हुई है, किसी को बच्चे का सुख मिला है. मां कुष्मांडा पर विश्वास रखें. मां आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूरी करेंगी. मां आपकी रक्षा करेंगी. मां आपको हमेशा खुश रखेंगी. Section 9. Kushmanda's Message for Humanity. Embracing Love and Light. In this section, we delve into the profound teachings of Goddess Kushmanda, who embodies the essence of love and light. Her message is simple yet powerful, urging humanity to embrace these virtues in our daily lives. मां कुष्मांडा प्रेम और दया की देवी है. She is the Divine Mother who radiates warmth and compassion, guiding us to live with an open heart. Her presence is a reminder that love is the most potent force in the universe. वह चाहती है कि हम सब प्यार से रहें. She desires that we all live in harmony, fostering relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. Love, in its purest form, has the power to heal and unite. वह चाहती है कि हम सब एक दूसरे की मदद करें. She encourages us to extend a helping hand to those in need, to be there for one another in times of joy and sorrow. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, create ripples of positivity. वह चाहती है कि हम सब खुश रहें. She wishes for our happiness, urging us to find joy in the simple moments of life. Whether it's the laughter of children, the warmth of family gatherings, or the camaraderie of friends, these moments are precious. मां कुष्मांडा हमें रोशनी की तरफ ले जाती है. She leads us towards the light, illuminating our path with wisdom and clarity. Her teachings inspire us to seek enlightenment and to rise above the darkness of ignorance. वह हमें अज्ञानता के अंधेरे से निकालती है. She pulls us out of the shadows of ignorance, guiding us towards knowledge and understanding. Her light dispels the darkness, revealing the truth that lies within. वह हमें सच्चाई का ज्ञान देती है. She imparts the knowledge of truth, encouraging us to seek wisdom and to learn continuously. Through her guidance, we gain a deeper understanding of the world and our place in it. वह हमें जीवन का सही मतलब समझाती है. She helps us comprehend the true meaning of life, urging us to reflect on our purpose and to live with intention. Her teachings remind us that life is a journey of growth and self-discovery, illuminated by love and light. Section 10. Conclusion. Finding strength and solace in the Divine Mother's embrace. माँ कूष्मांडा हमारी माँ है. वह हमेशा हमारी रक्षा करती हैं. हमें उन पर पूरा भरोसा रखना चाहिए. हमें हमेशा उनका ध्यान करना चाहिए. माँ कूष्मांडा हमें शक्ति दें. माँ कूष्मांडा हमें प्रेरणा दें. माँ कूष्मांडा हमें सुख और शांति दें. जय माँ कूष्मांडा.